It's pretty fascinating how it all goes down, but in this week's To Your Health, we show you how a service style that's been in place for more than 30 years is trying something new. Inside the Student Nutrition building is a mass production of meals, but not just any meals. This is where all of the food is prepped, prepared, packaged, and shipped off to students in the Anchorage School District.
So on a daily basis, we produce between 25 and 27,000 meals every day.
At the elementary level, lunches are produced here on a daily basis. On this day, the cold component being packaged, broccoli and pears.
There we go.
And around the corner, banana chocolate chip muffins are being mixed, poured, and baked. And in this massive kettle, Oriental rice, all of which is made in-house, some even using locally grown ingredients.
The perception is that some of the stuff that's made on the line here is made somewhere else. Some of the components that go into it are, like, I don't make my own chicken nuggets as an example, but it gets packaged here. So this crew of ladies that are working back here, there's a couple of gentlemen as well, but they put in, you know, they're making somewhere between 12 and 15,000 elementary school meals every day.
But it doesn't stop there.
Hi, can I get a pizza?
Sure, what kind?
Pepperoni.
The district's also implementing a more eco-friendly way to serve up lunch. What used to be served on paper plates or preheated meals are now being replaced with these reusable plastic trays.
We started a pilot program at Service High School last year and found out that it worked really, really, really well. The kids liked it. The meals were fresher. They were more appealing. By our calculations, when everybody's all totaled up, there's about 18 tons worth of paper that comes from school lunches that goes into the trash every year. So as we can eliminate that, we can keep 18 tons from going into the landfill.
Yeah.
Now that's a diet plan that most people can stick to, slimming down the waste that Anchorage area schools produce. In addition to Service High School, 4 more middle and 2 more high schools transition this year to those new reusable trays. The goal is to eventually get all of the elementary schools on board as well. For health ideas and topics, be sure to send us an email at 2yh@ktuu.com.